Okay, here we have a Sony DVD RW. It's the IDE variety, manufacture date of 2006. Assuming this DVD RW works, I'll be able to finish my Windows 98 build now. The 3.5-inch disc on my Windows 98 build was not working. I ordered this in hopes that this could get it fixed. The manufacture date February 2003. So as far as 3.5-inch drives go, this one's pretty new. It's a Sony. We'll see how well this works. And here is yet another optical drive. This one has some heft to it. It's a Plextor, which these were highly rated back in the day. Manufacture date of March 2002, so it's a little bit older than the other one I got, but it's definitely heavier. This is a CDRW, so it will not do DVDs, but I'll probably end up plugging both of them in, both the CDRW and the DVD recorder. One is a master, the other is a slave. Okay, here we have a package from New York. This was an eBay package. McGraw-Hill Film Sound Film Strip Guide. We have 2 sound film strips in color. The United States becomes a world power. This came with 2 film strips and 2 cassettes. Purpose of this film strip set: to show through historical analysis the political, economic, and social forces that made the United States a world power. I ordered this so I could demonstrate something I found at a thrift store. I paid just as much for these film strips as I did for the thing I'm going to use it on, so stay tuned for that. Okay, let's see what we got here. This is a replacement remote for a Magnavox VHS/DVD recorder. It's not an original Magnavox device, so I'm not sure how well it's going to work, but I will test this thing out. This one says eBay on it. All right, this is something I ordered. It's a SVP film and slide scanner. It's only 5 megapixels compared to some of those $200, $300 scanners. This isn't very high resolution, but it'll be high enough resolution for what I want to do. So I look forward to featuring this SVP film and slide scanner, and that's going to be sooner rather than later. Okay, let's see what we got here. The one doesn't have a lid. This person was saying random film clips. I specifically requested math and science. We have aberrant cells, the nature of cancer, what science knows about cancer, how we keep things cool. This is modern physics, set 2, natural environment, pollution part 7, a disposal crisis, plant life, flowers and fruits, the trash explosion, chemistry series set 4, nitrogen fixation. All right, the trash explosion part 1, the other one was part 2, and the respiratory system. All science, no math, but that's all right. I love science. So here is 10 science film strips that I can run in my Duquesne film strip viewer. No cassettes associated with these, but that's okay. I'll provide my own commentary if I need to. Very cool. This little package came all the way from China. I'm always scared cutting into this stuff. These are little plugs for FireWire. So I have something with a FireWire input, and I'm not currently using the FireWire input. I'm going to stick this little plug in it and keep the contacts safe. So I'm going to put this with my computer stuff, or maybe my camcorder stuff. I have almost enough spare parts to build a computer just with my spare parts, but I lacked one thing, a case. So I ordered this Micro-ATX case from Newegg. Pretty much the cheapest one they had, or at least the cheapest one they had that I liked. Let's take a look at it. It's really lightweight. That didn't weigh very much at all. There's the bottom of the case. This is a DIYPC MA08BK. Power supply is a top mount, but that's okay. That'll actually help me, in this case, fit everything in here. Supposed to have high-speed USB, but neither of these indicate high-speed USB. Alright, that's USB 3. Hey, it came with a little speaker. That's unusual these days. Okay, has all the pigtails I need, has the high-speed USB. Oh, it actually has a fan in the front. I don't know if you can see this. There is already a fan mounted in the front of this case. And there's a fan mounted in the back of this case. It's a small fan, but it's there. So this already has two fans mounted in it. That's a plus, considering this was just over 20 bucks. Okay, here's the USB 2 connector. Here's the USB 3 connector. I look forward to using this and doing a build with it. Alright, we have Rick Braun Sessions Volume 1. We got some jazz here. This appears to be a Swap a CD title. Oh no. We have some folded art. I accidentally tore a little piece of it getting this thing unwrapped. Here's the front art. Here's the CD. It looks pretty good. The dubs. Could this be magic? One that I don't have in my collection, and now I do. Here we have a package from musicboomerang.com. This is interesting. I got two Deep Purple CDs in the mail. This one I ordered from Music Boomerang, Deep Purple Infinite. One of the few holes in my Deep Purple collection, and another hole in my Deep Purple collection is Deep Purple Now What? Now this one I requested from Swap a CD. Now I know that this is coming from Zonker on Music Boomerang. I'm assuming that the same person is a member of Swap a CD, and that's why these got packaged together. Thank you, Zonker, for sending both of these. Alright, this looks like it might be a CD. Just going to tear that off. We got Snoop Dogg. Paid the cost to be the boss. I did not request that. I did request Billy Ocean. So, I don't know if this was a bonus or if this was a mistake. I'll message the person who shipped it to me and see what's up with it. But I do appreciate the Billy Ocean. Thank you to my patrons for supporting this channel. Stay thrifty, everyone.